Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you have trouble waking up in the morning? Do you find yourself snoozing your alarm multiple times? Well, let me introduce to you this amazing alarm clock. This is the Shock 2 by Pavlok. And I got this alarm for my husband because he sometimes struggles to get up in the morning with his alarm and definitely loves to snooze it. So I thought this would be a really nice option because this is a wearable alarm that gives a little vibration to wake you up that isn't going to disturb people around you, and it's also going to help you to wake up more gently. I really appreciate the silicone design, so it's very comfy to sleep with. The battery lasts for about 5 days, which is amazing, and it comes with an app that you're able to really customize this for your needs. So my husband actually chose the activity of doing jumping jacks when the alarm goes off in the morning. So that's what makes this really unique, is that when the alarm goes off, it prompts you to do an activity to turn the alarm off.
This is very customizable. You can choose how strong you want that vibration or that shock to be, and it also has a chime option as well, so we can use kind of a combination of all of these. I'll go ahead and show you what that chime sounds like. There's really so much you can do with this app as well. You're really able to, again, fully customize this and also really plan out your alarm, your bedtime goal. And so it's just really designed to help you to get a better night's sleep, to wake up when you want to wake up, and to just be ready to start your day. So there's really so much that you're able to do with this Pavlok alarm and app combination.
If you're looking for a great option for an alarm to help you get up and start your day, I highly recommend checking out this Shock Clock 2 by Pavlok, but that's just our point of view.